Hi, I'm going to take you through the WooCommerce integration for Vendo. It's a simple, easy integration that just takes a few minutes, and we're going to describe the steps for you here, all of which can be seen in our documentation. So here we are in the Vendo documentation at docs.vendoservices.com. You can look for WooCommerce there. Before you begin, you'll need to download by clicking on this link. I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. Download this zip. You'll use that later. You don't need to unzip the file. So next you'll install the Vendo plugin by logging into your WordPress admin. So go under plugins and click add new. You can see it here in the left nav bar, highlighted in red. Once you're there, you'll have the option to click on the upload plugin, which is up here. When you click on it, it'll ask you to choose a file. Choose the zip file that you've just downloaded and click Install Now. The fourth step is to activate the plugin. It's the button there on the page as soon as the file has been uploaded. Now under the WooCommerce menu, you'll click on Settings. And from the settings, click on Payments. You see General Products, Tax, Shipping, Payments, and there you'll see the Vendo gateway has been added. So toggle that to the right to enable it and click on Manage and then save the changes. So once you've saved the changes, you'll have the ability to do test transactions. You'll need to complete the integration on our side and complete one test transaction before you're able to go live. And the integration on our side, besides the technical integration, involves an onboarding process where we'll review all the documents that you've shared with us to comply with banking regulations. So now that you've got the Vendo gateway set up, click those changes. You have a number of field descriptions there, and you can see the payment form. So here's the payment form that your consumers will be seeing. So that's the end of the process. It's very simple, very easy.